Okay, there we go. It's recording. I'm filming it.
Yeah.
I forgot you had to push the red button. See how she's... I think there's a little one right there next to her wing, but I'm not sure. Oh, man.
Get this pencil, let her move her.
Yeah, she's got to have her baby too, but I wouldn't know where to put him. Oh.
They're on her belly, that's why.
Yeah. Help, Danny, it's going to get me. I know it's a tiny one, but it's holding on to me.
Yeah.
That's a hell of a place. I just got over wing. That's a hell of a place to put a for a baby. I mean, to have babies.
Hey, that can't picture better, huh?